Alright everybody, how y'all doing, and welcome back to Ron's World. Ron, your host here, and today I'm coming with you with a basic part build list. It's just for basic simple users. If you want to use it for college, browsing the internet, you could go ahead and play moderate games onto it. There's like 6 titles you could play with this graphic card. I'll be pulling that up in the video, and you can't go wrong with this. So if you want to go ahead on and build this in for yourself and you like the parts, just go ahead and click on the affiliate links in the description below, and everything is all good and dandy for you. Alright, let's get into it. Alrighty, the build list is on the i3 10100F, 4 cores, 8 threads. This is why I call it basic, because it's just a simple build list. You can go ahead and use this to build this PC for any purpose, anything you like, whether it's a home business, whether you are you're a stock marketer, you want to go ahead and start setting things up in the stock market. You can use it for college, high school. Just like I said, you could go ahead and play moderate titles on this build list using the Power Color Radeon RX 6500 XT, 4GB basic GPU, PCIe 4.0. With the 4X lanes. Yes, it's not a fast graphic card like you want to do, and this is not set up for extreme gamers and content creators. Now with this here graphic, it's a build list. You can also edit some videos at 1080p resolution. You can't go crazy with it, so don't try not to do it. But just like I said, this basic list is set up just for only basic, simple PC users like me. I could go ahead and use 4 cores, 8 threads. As a matter of fact, everything looking good. I might just go ahead on and update my gaming rig to this that's up to me. Just like I said, my systems are great, but for newcomers that's coming in, I want to go ahead on and build a PC for basic home use. If you want to do your homeschooling at home, etc., this PC build list is good for you. Alright, let's get into the components. The CPU is the i3 10100F 3.6 base with the boost of 4.3 MHz. It's 4 cores, 8 threads with the 65 watt TDP CPU, coming in at $93. The CPU cooler is the ID Cooler SE914 XT basic. Great cooler. I use them. Cannot go wrong with them. The CPU cooler is $26.99. The motherboard of choice is the ASRock B560M HDV. Great motherboard by ASRock is coming in at $110. The storage is the Team Group NP33 NVMe 1TB. Yes, 1TB is good. So that's what we own now. That's what we got enough storage to go ahead on and store all your information, so you ain't got no issues with running out of space. The MP333 NVM 1TB is coming in at $79.99. The video card of choice is the Power Color Radeon RX 6500 XT, 4GB basic GPU. It's on PCIe 4.0 with 4 lanes. This GPU is coming at $259.99. Now, when it came out, it was staged at $199, but the retail suggested price is $259.99, and we have no more MSRP, so we have to go at retail suggested price, which is RSP. That allows the retail stores to set the budget for what they want to see, for what they want the product to sell, based upon manufacturer discussion. So there's no more MSRP. The MSRP tag is gone. We are at retail suggested price now. So the card is coming at $259.99. The case of choice is the Antec NX200M. Great case, great airflow. Cannot go wrong with it. It's coming in at $64.99. The power supply of choice is the RS Gain 500 watt AGV 500. Is coming in at $27.99. The case fans, I love these case fans. You cannot go wrong with these case fans. The up here 5-pack RGB 120mm case RGB fans. Great case fans. great airflow. You get 1200 RPM off these fans here, and you cannot go wrong with it. The 5-pack is coming in at $29.99. The total of this price built list is $749.93. Under, you could say $750. It's in the $800 price range. So if you have $800 saved up and you say, you know what, let me go ahead on and build me a PC, or if you could go ahead on out and buy the parts, and you can go ahead and have your friend build it, put it together for you, you cannot go wrong with this PC build list. Now, just like I said below, all the affiliate links will be in the description below. If you want to go ahead on and if you want to go ahead on and purchase the parts, just click on the affiliated links below, and you cannot go wrong with it. All the parts are coming from Amazon, and I'm intrigued with this build list. You know what? I might be updating my gaming rig. You know, I'm on 4 cores, 4 threads, so I might just go ahead and push it to 4 cores, 8 threads. And this build list is not bad for that. So, with that said, you can't go wrong with this here. The memory is at 3000 megahertz. Just like I said, it's on the Radeon RX 6500 XT, 4GB basic GPU. And you can play a little games on with it. But if you're looking forward to upgrade later on down the line to an i5, i7, or i9, and then you can go ahead on and get those beef chunk GPUs such as the RTX 3000 series or the RX 6000 series, then you could go ahead and make changes on later on down the line. Alrighty, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like this video of this build list, go ahead on and give me a go ahead and hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.